Hi sa akong pinakagwapo o pinaka-the best na mama. Hi ma. Excited na kay May kay makauli na jud ka this December. At mag-uban na jud ta karong Pasko. And it's the first time ha na ikaw, ako, si Inday at si Mimi mag-uban this Christmas. And thankful kay ko sa Ginoo kay gihatag na niya nga Christmas gift. Sa pila ka years na nag-abroad ka, makauli na gyud ka at last. And kabalo ko nga lisod kay imong kinabuhi diha sa abroad. I'm thankful kayo may sa imuhang pagkugi, sa imuhang hard work diha kahit na layo kayo ka giantos nimo ang imong kinabuhi diha nga ikaw ra nga wala ka imuhang pamilya. And we love you very much ma. We really love you. Sana alam mo yan kahit na hindi namin pinaparamdam always sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. And Merry Christmas na kayo. Uli na jud ka this December. I love you.
Hello, Mamila. I'm excited to see you again. It's been a long time we haven't met in person. I'm glad to see you again in December. We love you, Mamila.
Hi, Ma. It's me, your daughter. Finally, after 4 years of waiting, we will see each other again. And I really can't wait for it. As OFW, I know na lisod siya. And you are the bravest woman that I have ever known. Thankful kayo kay Masid. Nasa na siya kalisod, imo Japon gibuhat. Thank you for sacrificing yourself para lang buhion ming mga anak nimo. You never failed to make all of us happy. Even though you're always busy because of your work, you always find ways to make time for us and to make us all happy. To all of your sacrifice bilang ina at ama sa aming magkakapatid, thank you for all of it. We really appreciate it. I'm grateful kasi binigay ka ni God sa amin. Yung tipong kahit anong nakikita mo na bad side sa akin, minahal ka din ako unconditionally. Not only me, but all of us that comes in your life. No matter how I get to this point, you all accept me for being who I am. I'm really thankful that you are always there to listen, comfort, and to advise just to get closer. Thank you for being there when I don't have someone to lay on. When I need someone, you are my strength and di na ako I will always pray to God to give me more than years to live with all of us, and I sincerely thank you for everything, not only for bringing me to this world, but also taking care of us as a mother. A mother's love is the greatest love of them all. You are the best mother in the whole wide world. And you will always be the greatest mother. Stay healthy and I love you. See you soon.